welcome back to our Zai Zai Vlog channel. So we are here in Davao Airport, waiting kami sa gate number 5, waiting for the flight. Sleepy ang baby, kaya maaga na, early siya nag-wake up guys. So abangan nyo ang travel trip namin. Sakura's first time ride on airplane. Yes. Okay. Harap ka muna dito. Harap ka na sandali. Are you gonna ride? You're gonna ride on Philippine Airlines. Yes, guys. Gonna forward. Yes. It's a big airplane? Oh, are you gonna ride airplane? Say excuse mo na. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, my little vlogger. Look. I'm gonna ride. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I never to see the big airplane.
Yes, you are gonna ride big airplane. Oh. Are you excited? Are you excited? Okay. Sige. Diretso. Fast. Go fast. You are number 49. Go. Go. You are going number 49. Just wait. Forward pa. No, Sakura, hindi pa dyan. Not yet. 40 na. Oh, just go. Go. 43. Go, no, hindi pa dyan. Go. 46, 40, 49. Here. Go. You are letter K. And then I am K. Oh, just wait. There's a ganyan ba yan? No. Yes, later pa. So we are inside in the airplane. Hello. Naka-recharge na si Sakura.
Kala ko lang window talaga dito sa airplane.
Kala mo walang window?
Yeah.
So you are sitting beside the window.
Yeah. I like the window.
Yes. Hi guys. Going to Manila to Narita.
Wala na ako mag-open ito. Chopper! There's a chopper! Mini chopper. It's a chopper.
Wala chopper.
Ayan o, chopper.
Sakura. Asan? Ano pinagsasabi mo?
Where's the chopper?
Chopper.
Where's the chopper?
I don't know.
I can hear you.
Ano makita? going to transfer and terminal best and terminal 1. Tumabi ka. Tumabi ka. Sige na, go na. Tapos going to halika na nga dito. So we are going to transfer ang terminal 1. So nauna na yung ano. Ano yung ginagawa mo? We are gonna ride a bus for connecting flight for going to terminal 1. See? We are in Terminal 1. Sakura. Going to immigration. Inside an immigration. So, Philippine passport. Dito tayo. Okay. Uy, bata. Where are you going, Nak? Ay, naku. So, we are in immigration. So, we are going to interview now an immigration. Anong gang? Off desk. Wala ng immigration. Sobrang haba. Alam mo, nag-enjoy si Sakura sa airplane. Hindi siya natakot sa airplane. Nag-enjoy siya.
Okay, bye.
Busy ka? Babay agad? Babe kayo dyan, ha? Bye na.
Yeah. Bye.
Ano ba ginagawa mo?
May cellphone ko.
Balubat na yung cellphone ko sa kakaan mo ba? Ha? Ako ko din na yun. Saan na chair mo? Diyos mo, nakahulog yung quit mo. Ano ka? Hinaan mo konti. Hinaan mo konti. We are going to gate number 6. Ano yung ginagawa mo? We are going to... Wait ba? Say hi. Go na, go. With the, which the number 6 gate? Gate number 6.
Yan na.
7 yan. That is number 7. 3, 4, 5, 6. Gate number 7 is down.
Ako magsulat ng sibel.
Oh, marunong na ikaw magsulat ng number 7?
Oo, yan na.
Okay. Narito. We're going to gate number 6. Ano ba? We're going to gate number 6.
Number 6, oh. 6.
We're going down. Just wait. Yes, that is number 6. Kurong ka doon, hindi ko makita sa video. Doon ka banda, para makita ka. Doon ka banda konti. Huwag ka masyado malapit dito, hindi kita makita. Be, ayusin ko.
Ano to?
Ayusin ko. Ano? Headband mo.
Yung ano ko ba yung tali? May yung Elsa asan?
Andun sa malita. Ngi. So we are inside in the airplane going to Narita. So ang among bata na dede. Sa mana butterfly. Sangre.